Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Speak Japanese. In today's episode, we'll learn how to ask for directions in Japan. We'll share some basic phrases and cultural tips to help you get to your destination without getting lost. Let's start with some basic phrases you can use when asking for directions. It's useful to remember the phrase, where is.
どこですか?どこですか?
Excuse me, where is Kayamizadera Temple?
すみません。すみません。すみません。清水寺はどこですか?どこですか?すみません。清水寺はどこですか?
In this phrase, you first say sumimasen to get the other person's attention and then ask for their destination. Sumimasen is a polite way to address the other person.
すみません。どこですか?
If you don't understand something after the other person gives you an instruction, you can ask, could you say that again?
もう一度。もう一度。すみません。どこですか? もう一度。
Please use the phrases you learned today when asking for directions in Japan. It will make your trip in Japan smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please click like and we look forward to your comments and questions.
さようなら。